Are you ready to take control of your financial destiny and unlock the secrets to lasting wealth? Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly build their fortunes while others struggle to make ends meet? In this video, we'll dive into the 7 essential money rules that you need to know for financial success. Join me as we uncover the strategies that the financially savvy use to grow their wealth and secure their futures. From asset allocation to the importance of financial literacy, these rules are the foundation of financial independence. It's no secret that those who understand and apply these principles often find themselves on the path to prosperity. So whether you're just starting your financial journey or looking to refine your approach, these rules will provide you with the insights and tools you need to succeed. Let's get started on the road to financial freedom and learn how you can create a legacy of wealth and security for yourself and your loved ones. Subscribe to the channel and let's embark on this journey together. The first money rule you must understand for financial success is the notion of paying yourself last. Now, this may seem paradoxical, particularly if you've heard the phrase, pay yourself first. But let us take a deeper look. When we say, pay yourself last, we mean making sure that every dollar you make works as hard as it can before it reaches your pocket. This is about discipline and prioritization. Begin by allocating your money to your basic expenses such as housing, food, and utilities, then to your investments, debts, and savings objectives. The objective here is to ensure that every penny is accounted for and directed towards your financial progress before engaging in discretionary expenditure. It is about cultivating a mentality in which you live within your means, save aggressively, and only reward yourself with what remains after all financial commitments have been satisfied. Paying yourself last encourages a disciplined attitude to money management, ensuring that you don't sacrifice your future by overpaying now. This thinking adjustment is the foundation of financial success, enabling you to accumulate money consistently over time. Remember that every dollar saved now is a dollar that can be invested in the future. All right, moving on to the next money rule you need to know is the Rule of 110 for asset allocation. This guideline is critical for anybody trying to establish the correct balance of risk and return in their investing portfolio. This is how it works. Begin with the number 110 and subtract your age. The outcome determines the proportion of your portfolio that should be allocated to equities or stocks. For example, if you are 30 years old, 110 minus 30 equals 80. That implies 80% of your portfolio should be invested in stocks, with the other 20% in safer products such as bonds or cash equivalents. This guideline is intended to help you maximize your development potential while limiting risk as you mature. Stocks, although volatile, tend to provide larger returns in the long run, which is critical for younger investors aiming to create wealth. On the other hand, as you near retirement, your attention should move to capital preservation, which is where bonds and other safer investments may help. The Rule of 110 is a simple but effective guideline for tailoring your asset allocation based on your age and risk tolerance, allowing you to maintain a balanced and diverse portfolio that is aligned with your financial objectives. Next, let's look at the 3 dimensions of wealth, which are a critical foundation for attaining long-term financial success. Financial wealth is what most people associate with the term wealth. It comprises all of your monetary assets, such as income, savings, investments, and net worth. Financial prosperity is important, but it is just one part of the issue. Time wealth. Time is our most valuable resource, yet it is sometimes disregarded in talks about wealth. Time richness is having the flexibility to spend your days as you choose, whether that's following a passion, spending time with loved ones, or just enjoying leisure. It is about establishing a life free of financial commitments that consume your time. Health richness. Without excellent health, neither money nor temporal richness can be completely appreciated. Investing in your physical and mental health is an essential part of obtaining total prosperity. This includes regular exercise, a healthy diet, mental health treatment, and enough sleep. True financial success involves balancing these 3 elements. It is not enough to be wealthy if you are always worried or unwell, nor is it satisfying to have free time but lack the means to enjoy it. To live a really rich life, strive to create financial, time, and health wealth. By the way, if you're enjoying the video so far and want more topics like this, comment below money, so I know. All right, moving forward to the next money rule you need to know is the 5% rule, which is an effective guideline for managing your assets and guaranteeing long-term financial success. The 5% rule recommends that you remove no more than 5% of your financial holdings each year during retirement. This guideline is intended to help your funds survive throughout your retirement years while still allowing for some growth to offset inflation. Here's how it works. If your portfolio is worth $1 million, the 5% rule recommends that you remove no more than $50,000 every year. This withdrawal rate implies that the remaining 95% of your portfolio remains invested and, ideally, grows over time to fund future withdrawals. The 5% rule achieves a balance between enjoying retirement and making sure you don't outlive your money. It's a cautious method that protects against market downturns and unforeseen costs, giving you a financial buffer to last into your golden years. Applying the 5% rule is an important step toward financial success, especially as you go from the accumulation phase of wealth creation to the preservation and distribution phase of retirement. Moving on to Rule 5. In this part, we will look at the several categories of wealth that contribute to your overall financial success. The first category, earned income, the money you make while working, whether as an employee, freelancer, or company owner. It's your principal source of income in the beginning phases of wealth accumulation, but it's also the most taxed and time-consuming. The next, passive income, refers to revenues from investments such as dividends, interest, rental properties, and royalties. It's money that works for you, increasing even when you're not actively pursuing it. Building passive income sources is critical to reaching financial freedom. Capital gains are the profits earned when you sell an asset, such as stocks, real estate, or a company, for more than you bought for it. Capital gains may be a substantial source of wealth, particularly if you have invested in assets that are appreciating. Next comes inherited wealth. This refers to assets handed down from past generations. While not everyone will get an inheritance, those who do may significantly improve their financial condition. Finally, wealth in possessions. This category contains the worth of your physical possessions, such as real estate, cars, and personal belongings. While these assets do not create income, they increase your net worth and may be used for financial advantage. Understanding various types of wealth allows you to grasp the overall picture of your financial situation. Diversifying your wealth across these areas may give stability and various income sources while decreasing dependence on a single source of income. All right, let's now discuss one of the most important money rules for financial success: the importance of financial literacy. Financial literacy serves as the basis for all other money regulations. It's the information and abilities required to properly manage your money, including budgeting, saving, investing, and retirement planning. Why is financial literacy so important? Because without it, even the finest money rules won't benefit you. You must grasp how money works, how to increase it, and how to keep it safe from harm. Financial literacy enables you to make more informed choices, prevent expensive errors, and manage the intricacies of the financial world. Begin by learning fundamental financial principles. Read books, attend classes, and follow reputable financial gurus. The more you understand, the more prepared you will be to implement the money principles we've covered and attain financial success. Remember that financial literacy is a lifelong endeavor. The financial scene is always evolving, so it's critical to be educated and keep learning. This constant education will allow you to adapt to new problems and embrace opportunities as they come. Now, let's move on to our next money rule: financial independence. Financial independence refers to having enough money to live well without depending on earned income. It is the moment when your assets, savings, and passive income create enough money to meet your living expenditures, allowing you to work because you want to, not out of necessity. Financial freedom is the peak of financial achievement. It enables you to retire early, follow your hobbies, and live your life on your terms. But it's not just about the money. It's about the independence and peace of mind that comes from knowing you have control over your financial destiny. To achieve financial independence, you must adhere to the money principles we've discussed. Save aggressively, invest intelligently, manage your assets, and prioritize financial education. Most importantly, you must begin early and remain dedicated. Financial freedom is not achieved quickly. It is the product of years of careful saving and investment. As you strive towards financial independence, keep in mind that it is more than simply attaining a certain balance in your bank account. It is about creating a life free of financial constraints, where you may make decisions that are consistent with your beliefs and goals. Moving forward to the next rule you need to know, let's talk about a key difference that many people don't understand: debt versus leverage. Debt, in its most basic form, is money borrowed that must be returned, usually with interest. It is a financial commitment that, depending on how it is handled, may either assist or impede your financial success. Leverage, on the other hand, is the deliberate use of debt to invest in assets with the potential to create income or increase in value. When utilized effectively, leverage may help you develop wealth more quickly. For example, obtaining a mortgage to purchase a rental property might be considered leverage if the rental income exceeds the loan's cost. However, it is critical to differentiate between good leverage and bad debt. Good debt is an investment that will most likely grow your wealth over time. Bad debt, such as high-interest credit card debt, produces no revenue and may soon become a financial burden. To attain financial success, you must reduce bad debt and utilize leverage strategically. This includes borrowing just what you can afford to repay, investing in assets with long-term worth, and constantly having a debt management strategy in place. Understanding the distinction between debt and leverage is critical for making sound financial choices that support your long-term objectives. And there you have it, 7 money rules you must know for financial success. By following these concepts, you may establish a solid financial foundation, accomplish your objectives, and live a life of riches, freedom, and security. Remember that financial success is a journey, not a destination. It demands discipline, expertise, and a long-term mindset. But with the appropriate strategy, you may make your financial aspirations a reality. As we conclude, it's important to note that this video is meant to educate you on the various aspects of investing, not to provide specific investment advice. Investing involves risks, and you should always do your own research and consult with professionals before making any financial decisions. Past performance doesn't guarantee future results, so always consider the risks involved. If you found this video helpful, I highly recommend checking out my next video, which complements this one perfectly. Don't hesitate to share this video, it might help someone else too. Please subscribe to the channel and share your thoughts on today's content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.